Hello everybody, this is Sakshi and I welcome you all in our Granchla Educational Trust. First of all, I'm heartily thankful to our founder Mr. Shivam Agrawal who gave me this wonderful opportunity to be the part of this NGO. And as you know that we have been providing free of cost education for 3 years, and along with free education we also gave some crash courses our students. Today we are going to certify those students who have joined our spoken English batch. So let's start our program. So let's give a round of applause for our Gayatri. Right. And for certifying her, I would like to call a very greatest personality, charming personality, and a very kind-hearted, genuine man, and who is one and only our Shivam Agrawal sir. Besides it, I also would like to call here our Nishant sir, who is also a very loving and caring person for all of us. Please, sir. And it's my request to both of them to provide certificates of this girl. Now,
thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Sir.
Now, put your hands together for our next contestant student, and that is Sheetal Rani. Please clapping for her. Now, please welcome our loving personality, Anuradha.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Please provide her.
Thank you, sir.
वेलकम सारे एक के बाद ठीक है फोटो वाले अब वीडियो कर लो
Please welcome Lucky.
फोटो वाले नहीं आइकन फोटो वाले Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
You're most welcome. Now join me in welcoming our next student, and that is Radhika Sagar.
Congratulations.
And to rock on this stage, I would like to call our next student, and that is Keshav.
इसका आ गया हाँ Thank you.
You're most welcome. Now, please welcome our next girl, next student, and that is Poonam Sharma. Next, we have a talented girl, Kashish Sharma.
Thank you, sir.
Next, we have also a very greatest and talented personality, and that is Lakshya Gaur. Congratulations. In this series, I would like to call Kanaiya. Please welcome him. Our next student is Khushbu Vashne. You're most welcome. You're most welcome. Now join me in welcoming our next student, and that is Divyanshi Sharma. Now let's have a big round of applause for our student Rashmi.
Sham Pro, please.
Last but not least, Aarti Vashne.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Now you must have been enjoyed the process of this event, so I wish you all the very best, and thank you for being the part of us. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
आपके सहयोग से ज्ञानशिला ने अब तक 600 से भी ज्यादा बच्चों को शिक्षित करने का काम किया है और ये संख्या लगातार बढ़ती जा रही है। आप भी हमारी इस मुहिम का हिस्सा बनकर समाज के गरीब व असहाय बच्चों को शिक्षा मुहैया कराने के इस नेक काम में अपनी भागीदारी निभा सकते हैं। नीचे दिए गए नंबर पर आज ही कॉल करें।